it's nice to see these businesses coming back. I mean, for instance, here in Bayhead, Mueller's Bakery, this has been a bakery for 100 years. And they've been out of business now for 7 months because of the storm. But they're opening up soon.
Let's check them out.
Richard, this is Mark Oliver.
How do you do?
He's one of the owners and a baker. Mark, the place is coming along great. And these nice tin ceilings, you're getting there.
It's very close.
Now, you're a full-service bakery, so you had an awful lot of baked goods out.
Yeah, Thanksgiving was right around the corner. We were gearing up to, make about 2,000 pies for the holiday, so you can imagine the stock that had to be on hand for that, and it all had to be thrown out.
It must have been a mess.
Yeah, it was total mess. It was actually quite like a hazmat situation, with everything that washed in with the water, and then taking the stock out was a nightmare.
Right. How long did it take you to clean everything out?
Probably took us about a good month just to get the food out of here.
And ever since then, I guess you've been rebuilding.
Yes, rebuilding and getting back to the regular routine.
Everybody seems to talk about your specialty here.
Yes, they do. They love it. It's the crumb cake. That's our signature item here.
You baking yet?
Yes, we are, and we happen to have some for you right now.
Good. So this is where it happens.
Yes, this is the place. We start basically with our crumb buns with a basic piece of sweet dough, but the real magic is the crumbs, which are right here.
That just added 2 pounds to me already. Look at that.
Yeah, it's quite rich. But
What is in that? What are you shoveling on there?
Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Beautiful stuff, butters and sugars and some shortening, and then we just crumb them all up.
Looks a little bit like Jersey Shore sand.
Yeah, although not quite so gritty, though. And this is what makes the product right here, the crumbs.
All right.
They love it.
So is it ready to go? What do you got to do now?
Well, right now we would take this pan to the steam box, let it proof up about 40 minutes, and then it would go to the oven and bake for 35 minutes. And then the finishing touch is the powdered sugar on top, and they're ready to eat. Would you care for a sample?
I thought you'd never ask.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Mark,
Wow.
thank you for introducing us to your world-famous crumb cake.
Thank you.
Oh, just be a minute.
Could we take that home?
Let's go.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.